training with the Ratchaburi club here in Thailand. So when Australia come up against Thailand, you'll be able to pick all these combinations apart. This could be the longest point ever. Ladies and gentlemen, Sepak Takraw at its best and at its most entertaining. And the best thing about it is that the underdogs won the point in the end.
That was a great passage of play from both sides, scrambling. There were change-ups at the net, and finally it's poor old Nipperborn, Saddleborn that cops one to the head.
But with a big grin on her face, you can but enjoy a point like that, even if you lose it. Well, if you lose it, I'm sure the Koreans, if they'd have gone 8-2 down, they'd have been in tears after that. But Thailand can afford a wry smile there.